Ever feel like your trades should be profitable, but your P&L says otherwise? That was me, until I found TraderSync, a trading journal that claims it can spot where you're leaking profits and show you how to trade smarter. But does it actually work, or is it just another overpriced tool? Alright, let's find out. Well, before I actually logged a single trade in TraderSync, I actually scrolled through the reviews, especially the bad ones. One trader called it confusing and said the layout didn't feel next-gen. He also pointed out that the simulator only supports stocks, not forex or crypto. Uh, Fair point, but here's the thing. The TraderSync team actually responded to that. They clarified that the platform does support other assets, just not in the simulator itself, and they offered to help him personally. So to me, that says two things. One, the issue might have been user error or something like that, and two, this company listens and responds. And on the flip side, I saw plenty of 5-star reviews too, and 4 stars, especially from traders who had tried other trading journals like TradeView, TradesViz, and Edgewonk. One user said that TraderSync was the only one that he'd recommend. He called it intuitive, powerful, and said that the AI assistant alone kind of made it a no-brainer. So that's what pushed me to give it a real shot. So what does TraderSync actually do? Well, at its core, it's not just a trade log, it's a performance-enhancing tool for serious traders. Strategy Checker was the first feature that kind of blew my mind. It revealed that one of my most used setups was actually losing me money because I kept breaking one small rule. TraderSync held up a mirror and a magnifying glass, and I had to face that I was breaking it. Next is the custom filtering. So want to see how your trades do on Mondays after a red Friday? You can. Want to isolate performance by asset, entry type, or time of day? Easy. No more spreadsheets, just clarity. Their new trade details layout anchors every entry and exit directly to the chart. It tells the story behind each trade, not just the numbers. That alone made me rethink how I journal. Then there's rolling exit, which simulates what would have happened if you stayed in a trade longer. I found out I was cutting winners way too soon. Add in backtesting, robust reporting, asset support for stocks, options, forex, crypto, futures, and yes, automated trade imports, and you've got a powerhouse tool. It's especially well built for options traders, which is rare. Other platforms either kind of ignore options or just make them clunky. Now, is TraderSync perfect? Am I going to say that? Well, no, not quite. Nothing really is. If you're brand new to trading or journaling, it might feel overwhelming at first. There's a lot of data, and there's a learning curve to using it. But if you're serious about improving your performance, that depth is kind of what makes this trading journal stand out in the first place. It is built for traders who want an edge, not just a logbook and something simple. Okay, let's talk price. So TraderSync is not the cheapest journal out there, but that's the point. It's not meant to be cheap. It's built for traders who see journaling as an investment, not an expense. And good news, they also run promos regularly. So check out our link in the description below for the latest pricing and any current coupon codes. If you're tired of wondering where your edge went or why your results don't match your instincts, TraderSync might be the game changer you need.